All of us have heard the words good days and Vikas development from the Prime Minister Narendra Modi since from his entrance in the centre. We are telling you the untold tales from Dangiwacha of North Kashmir's Baramulla district, where the environment speaks of the pain of people. We are bringing you the unheard stories of poor and needy people. The people who costed their votes for their basic needs but are still waiting for the development they were promised. The long pending promises of houses and washrooms has become a dream for these people.
Dear Kashmir Crown viewers, you are welcome to our broadcast today. We are bringing this broadcast from Dangiwacha, Rafiabad. Today, let's analyze that what Government of India and Government of Jammu and Kashmir is doing for the developmental cause in this trouble-torn valley. First of all, let me show you. This is the house. You can watch it. One of the poor house in Dangiwacha, Rafiabad. But the condition, you can yourself see the condition of this house. Do they people deserve the schemes of Government of India or Government of Jammu and Kashmir? You can yourself guess this. And let's speak to the family who is actually in trouble. But the fact is this, not a single benefit has been given to this family so far. From the MLA Rafiabad, from the Government of India, from the Government of Jammu and Kashmir. So these people actually want azadi from these type of politicians, these type of bureaucrats, these type of officers who have not even, given their second thought to this family. Let me now speak to the one of the women who belongs to this family. To even was now upon
Haja Begum.
मैं वन तो तुम मकान तुम ठीक ठाक कह कह सरकार स्कीम आसान ब्लॉक्स मज वरिया स्कीम तुम दिसम
कोई केल बिन वथि द आयाल उस वकस वनन हेलो
मैं वन तो तुम बाथरूम दितमुत सरकार
नज ना कतस तेल से येति
कहीं छ न दितमुत
नज ना
सर ये बाथरूम दिवान तुम बनयो बाथरूम
यम तुग तुम नहीं देते क्या बच्चे
Okay, so dear viewers, actually this family has two boys who are physically different, I mean say disabled. So nobody actually cares for them. Nobody has taken care of this family who are actually in the misery of their life, who don't have anything. Not a single washroom has been provided to this family so far. This is the question we are raising tonight. This is the shame on the BDO who actually heads this department, who is here heading the Rural Development Department in block Rafiabad.
Modi's Swachh Bharat Abhiyan seems to be failed here. These people were promised houses under the scheme IAY but seems to have become a dream that never came true.
Dear Kashmir Crown viewers, following the development segment of Kashmir Crown, you are welcome to this special broadcast. We have visited the second house in Dangiwacha area of Rafiabad, North Kashmir. See, this is the unhygienic environment. This is the open defecation area. Modi's Swachh Bharat mission seems to be failed. Mr. Haq Khan, where are your several schemes which you are discussing since from last couple of years in the assembly, in your constituency, in your conferences?
Toh kuta time was go itkin netiyat haltas maz rozan.
Atos go varya kalas.
Toh sarkar ch wikenes ya yum video sh bathroom diwan ya baki
toh nishan avi na
toh gaya tor kun sa
asas gay
pat kya tum kya karan to
tum machine gore kara
tem pat aya kan visit karni aur wishne
yat malus na
kahinas
Asa nu dutu ko ke vare piros tot blokas pert vare piros munuk ta ist yor navi ka nu dut ko total ki gore korknas ki MLA ta ayo bat korni
bach sari open gasan
bilkul open
lekin infection gasim sid baki
at ke kasna infection ese gaye to anda
zanan sorry gasan ithak
yokun ochin prushinika
to sho ithak open kar
open hat kya hoy kisna hoy kya gya prushinika ochin yokun
ठीक
это сейчас шарпай ты не ликит викит патеван пат дивулики गोरेशन करायो
मैं वन तो बाथरूम च दिवान सरकार दवान छ कि ऐसा करो यमन लेडीजन असल इज्जत करो
बाकी नवजास आवी अस कतस छ यवा
कहीं
यत मालस नछन खबर यत मालस नछन दिवान लेख्या त पात छन देवो
ना वोट त्रै ना त
वोट अस त्रो अत क्या
तेल क्या इशो वोट न सजा
अस त्रो वोट
अस छी नम नछन गोरे एत करा अस छ गसा मगर
तो क्या सुन गसा वीडियो
गसा नछ हम नम छी नि करा गोरे अस गए वारे फिर मछन दिवान गोरे
So, thank you, Abid Salam. Since Abid Salam was speaking about this area, which is in the Rafiabad block, first of all, you can see this is what we call open defecation. This is the misery of life here in Dengiwacha, Rafiabad. The open latrine, open toilet system. As Prime Minister Modi of India has several times spoken out that we will clean up India, we will go for cleanliness, but where is this hygiene? You can yourself view this on your camera, on your television, on your screens. You can yourself watch it, that what are the miserable conditions here in Dengiwacha, Rafiabad. We did speak to so many people who are here. They told that they have not been approached by anyone, neither block development officer, nor any village level worker, nor any politician, nor any bureaucrat, nor an MLA of Rafiabad. So, dear viewers, the question here is that if Government of India under the scheme Swachh Bharat Mission has given lakhs of toilets to the residents of Jammu and Kashmir, where these toilets go? This is the question we are raising tonight.
Hundreds of local people, including MG Narega labourers, alleged that block office Dengiwacha Baramulla has become a hub of corruption. While speaking to Kashmir Crown, MG Narega labourers alleged that BDO, including other staff members, have violated the rules of centrally sponsored schemes. They told Kashmir Crown that their payment is pending with the block office from last 7 to 8 months.
हम इधर डिंगीवचा के रहने वाले हैं, रफियाबाद ब्लॉक डिंगीवचा के रहने वाले हैं। तो हमारा डिंगीवचा ब्लॉक जो है ये जंगल राज इसमें नाफिज हुआ है। इसमें असल रसूख पर और पैसे के रसूख पर काम दिया जाता है, खासकर नरेगा। तो बीडीओ साहब के पास हम जाते हैं तो वो बोलता है एमएलए साहब से चिट्ठी लाओ। अगर दिल्ली से पैसा आता है, मरकज से पैसा आता है, तो वो एमएलए साहब को क्यों बोलता है हमें एमएलए साहब से चिट्ठी लाओ? तो ये आम इंसान लेबर की काम है, उसमें मतलब वहाँ काम करने जाते हैं, वहाँ बिल्डोजर लगा जाता है, लेबर को नहीं दिया जाता है। वहाँ मतलब मशीनें लगाए जाते हैं, आम इंसान को नहीं दिया जाता है। अगर नरेगा है तो वो आम इंसान की प्रॉब्लम मतलब वो मजदूरी लेबर उनको बन सकती है, तो इसीलिए नरेगा था। तो ये मशीनें लगवाते हैं अपने बेस पर, तो काम करवाते हैं। आम इंसान परेशान है, जब उसको काम का दिन भी नहीं मिल गया तो फिर नरेगा से क्या मतलब है हमें?
People of the area informed that BDO Kundan Bir often remains absent from her duties, and an honest accountant Altaf Ahmed was transferred within the period of 5 months only.
अगर आज कस मुलाजिमस आसान गवर्नमेंटन शेड्यूल थोमुत 2 वरी हसा नमिस सर्कुलर के सच डिपार्टमेंटस मज फलन जाय सोज या 2 वरियन खतर ता बशारत साहब अकाउंटेंट शहरी क्या आज तोलन और अमे दह क्या तोलन अस आव यह वन कि पेमेंट दिमो तुम जुमा दह आए तम ट्रांसफर कर शहरी तस क्या खराबी तमिस क्या गलती वन तो रीजन वजह मसल क्या?
According to these laborers, these they have worked as the program run by the ministry and the government of India as MG Narega. Their payment is pending from last December 2016 to till May 2017. Is this a procedure to work out? Is this the procedure to run plans? Is this the procedure to run the government? This is totally injustice with these poor laborers.
It is pertinent to mention that the work executed under MG Narega scheme is fraudulently done at many places and is under scanner. This is the MG Narega road where MG Narega contractor has withdrawn rupees 2 lakh for this mal patch, and you can see the condition of the road. For Kashmir Crown, this is Iram Khan reporting.
Dear Kashmir Crown viewers, following this story of development in Rafiabad block, let's tell you that we have spoken to so many people of Dengiwacha who are quite poor, who don't have their houses, but they are not benefited through the scheme of either we will speak about Swachh Bharat Mission or Indra Awas Yojana, which was previously known as Indra Awas Yojana. We did speak to so many people from the Dengiwacha area. They have raised so many questions against BDO block Rafiabad. They told that she is incompetent. She has not given any benefit. When we visited the office of this block, BDO ma'am is not here. She is actually in a meeting. What we have been told by the office bearers here, they told that she is in a meeting. What the public of this Dengiwacha is speaking, they told that she is often absent from her office. Today, Mahatma Gandhi rural developmental, these laborers are on protest, Manrega protesters. There is questions about because their payment has been so far they are not withdrawn their payments from this block. So this is also one of the malpractice here which is happening in this block.
Masla Janai Wala Maza Satum Baras Mazas Kam Karma, Tanper when get them such payment and ki roll do is your Yamaga honors when get them Satum Baras Mazas come
Assertion Jana Pata Lagan Kis Jumwar Kanshi Insanas, Authority Chima Ekshi Insanas. Bilkul Oshitama Yugoslav Authority record Chima Ekshi then yet blocks.
Switch Dohayas one like Palanja Dulukum are within 10 days must you carry. Narega 15 days as a
payment वक्त पर इवन दिन की
कितना टाइम को काम करने
6-7
तो इवन तो
जहाँ पे जिनमें काम है वहाँ पे नहीं हो रहा है जो कुछ भी हो रहा है ऊपर से ही हो रहा है
That means कि ये सोरे यस मतलब ये जंगल राज
यहाँ वो राज
ज़्यादा में पंचायत इनार किस लिए तक जुलाई इसमें ताकि जुलाई से भी बकायत वो तुम दीवानी
ठीक अब बताएं
बस सर हमें इन पूरे 15 दिन के अंदर पेमेंट मिलनी चाहिए लेकिन आज
टाइम हो गया
तकरीबन 8-9 महीने हो गए
8-9 महीने
जी सर
So I don't understand where this payment goes. If Narega as per rules has its rules that within 15 days laborers has to be given the payment, the work they are doing, but these laborers from last 5 months, from last 1 year, their payment is still pending with this block. Let's raise this question tonight.